CM 365, all about Carnatic music.
Vocal music has always been regarded as supreme, and there is also a mention about it in many ancient scriptures and works. In fact, the voice is a very unique gift of God to us, and when one is singing, I would say, he is actually producing his own voice along with the lyrics and the melody. Now, vocal music is also regarded as the greatest of the fine arts, and in this context we see reference to it also in many works. I would like to quote the example of the Vishnu Dharmottara Purana written in the 650 AD, a very long back written work, where there is a beautiful conversation happening between King Vajra and sage Markandeya about the importance of vocal music. Now, the king here says that he wants to study fine arts and its Shastra. And for this, the sage says that if one desires happiness in this world and also beyond this world, then it is very important for us to build temples and have gods and gods' images in it. But the images of gods and goddesses have to be made according to the Chitra Sutra. Now, the king, after that, he says that, okay, I would like to learn the art of sculpturing and its intricacies. And this is where an interesting conversation happens between the two. And then the king asks, please, O sage, please teach me the art of sculpture. To which the sage says that if you want to know the intricacies of sculpturing, then you must learn the art of painting. So then the king says, okay, please share with me some knowledge about painting. To which the sage says that if you want to learn painting, you must know the art of dancing. That is, some basic knowledge about dancing is definitely necessary. Then the king says, okay, please impart to me some knowledge about dance. To which the sage again says, if you want to know about dance, then you must have some knowledge about instrumental music. So then the king immediately says, okay, never mind, I will like to undergo training in instrumental music. And then the king, when he's asking again this, then the sage says that, but well, for you to know the intricacies of instrumental music, it is very important that you learn vocal music and have some knowledge about it. So thus, through this series of conversation, we could understand that for the understanding of the other fine arts, how important vocal music is. And that way we could say that it is a very supreme art, and its knowledge is very vital for anybody to understand the other arts. So this was an example to show us how vocal music is very important. Of course, also I would like to add the point that through the voice, every time music is produced, it is very unique in nature. As I said, it's God's gift to mankind. So probably the same composition, when rendered in 10 different voices, will give different colors and shades to us because of the fact that the voice is something very unique.
CM 365, all about Carnatic music.